start this video, you already know what it is. But before we do it, I have to show you something. I just got these stickers for only 75 cents. They're little stickers of googly eyes. They were $2.84. I will try to put this on one of my pages, and here I have some pages. And I haven't used this in quite a while. As you can see, the last time I wrote in this was 2/9/2020. So I'm going to put a sticker right here in the notes to make it look cute. Let's test it out. So actually, my mom gave me the idea to buy this. Which one looks really cute? That I'm probably not going to use much, only for this. Ooh, I really love this owl. I love it. It looks so funny. And let's test it out. And the stick is really strong. That's good. They also have googly eyes. Okay. Now, the real thing that I would usually do before we start this video is you guys have to subscribe and like. Another one. Hey guys, today we will be opening a pop-up hair surprise part 2. Yes, I got this for clearance also. This one has glitter on it, a lot of glitter. I love glitter so much. And since I took so long doing the sticker thing, let's just open it and be sure to subscribe. So there was I think it was called the surprise guide to see which one that you got. Limited edition, ultra rare, rare, or common. So we can take that out. We'll see that in a bit. And now we have to get this off. Wrapping. Be sure to have an adult with you while using scissors. Okay, so now we have it out of the plastic layer, then we can cut that off. And I had a little bit of trouble with this. Wow, that was fast. And then you can take that out. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a hint. You've probably already seen it. If you haven't, go check it out right now. Check it out. And then I got this one. I'm not going to tell you what's inside her head, but we're going to use this to pop this off. So, first, before the surprise, we have something in this bag. Oh, we have a candy hair clip, which would be great on our dolls. Hair tie, another matching candy hair clip, and then we have more hair ties. So you can never run out of hair ties for like a long time. Okay, so here's how to do it. I'm going to test it out on this one first. So you just untwist it like that. There's no water in here. It's empty. You have to fill it up with water. I'm going to use this one because I filled this up with water today. Okay, so you just have to spray it with water and it'll pop. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So you have to get a pretty good amount of water on it. Turn it around. I'm so excited! When's it gonna pop? So basically you have to keep on spraying it until it pops. The Let's try spraying it here. Whoops. There's still some in here. It's probably going to take a long time. Okay, so actually while I was filling this up with water, because I thought we were out of it, we needed more. This popped. I didn't see what's inside it, but it just popped. It made a really loud noise. So let's see what's inside. Wow, it looks like we got something new. Totally. So this one is really cute. It's pink. You're going to have to see what's up in the corner. This one had that one. But this one is brand new, even the hair. Let's get this. So you get that off. It's like a macaroon. Let's see her. Wow, that is so cute. And you can even tie on your hair. So let's see which one we got. So we still have to open up this blind bag. It's not so fun, but you can still find out if you got the best one ever. Okay. So, first we have to see which curl thing we got. Which is right here. We got Tina Tangle or Rosie Ringlet. I think we got Rosie Ringlet here because the mouth is different. And it's a light pink. And we also got this one, I believe, which matches best to that over here. And I also saw this one, but I thought that one was even more cute. Whoopsies. Sorry, guys. And then, okay, so I got one of the other ones somewhere on this page. Here it is. Which one did we get? Maybe it's on the other side? Unless it's this one. I think it is. Because it has the same exact hair clips as the one on the picture. So we got this one. And is there like anything that if it's like... So we got an everyday look on both of them. On Rosie Ringlet, everyday look. And, this one, Boogie, is the name of this, and it's not an everyday look, but it's not on here. But I think it's just not supposed to be anything because you already see it. Like, wow. And there's also different hair types. And we kind of got like an ombre-ish. Whenever you like make the hair like that, it creates an ombre. But we kind of did, but here it doesn't say it did. So we got two solid colors actually. So we got that one, and I'm guessing we got that one too. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video very much. It's been kind of long. Actually, it's been a few minutes, but I'm glad you spent those few minutes with us. So don't forget to subscribe for more and like. And check out the video in the corner about number 1, part 1, which has this one. And also check out one of the previous videos, Num Nums, Will There Be Slime? Thank you so much for being here. Love you all. Bye.